Hello! Happy Friday, everyone. Today's host is our cat, Reese. He wants to be on the video, you know?
Say hi, Reese.
Reese over there.
So he just came from outside.
He was laying on the ground.
Yes, just relaxing with the...
On the dirt, you know?
Yes, on the lovely weather. It was sunny earlier. Hi, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone is having a lovely Friday. It's weekend. Yay! So, to those who don't know me yet, my name is Roselle.
My name is Kirsten.
And we
are a duo.
Yes, and it's our...
Day 81.
Yay! 9 more days, right? 9 more days to finish our 90-day challenge. And we are very grateful that we did this. So today we are reflecting
on the overall. The 90-day challenge.
Yes. So to reflect that, we went back to our goals and objectives, why we did this challenge. So for me, I want to share this life-changing opportunity to everyone. So that's my goal, and to be confident and to help a lot of people start their own online business by sharing this life-changing opportunity, and to grow personally and professionally. And how about you?
It's the same. My goal is to share this life-changing opportunity as well and reach more people, because there's a lot of people who want to change their lives for the better.
Yes. What else?
My other goals was to finally make an ad, which I managed to do.
Because he just started this business last November, and he needs to do our training before he can start running an ad. So, what else? So, we managed to run an ad because we managed to make an ad. Ads, not only an ad, multiple ads. So we are trying to, test it. Which one is effective?
Which one has more?
More engagement? Yes. So at the moment, it's still on that stage.
Yeah, we need to see the perfect.
Yeah.
Well, not perfect. The best.
The winning ad.
That's what we call it.
So people will take action and check this business, this life-changing opportunity. So at the moment, we are still trying, and it's a trial and error.
Of course, one of our goals here is do the 90-day challenge.
Yes, and that's why we are really grateful to be able to reach this far.
81 days.
The 81 day. So that's our goal, to finish this, and we are on an 81, and we are going to keep on going until the 90 days. And yes.
And what we do is a daily routine.
Yes.
We research every day, a few hours before.
Yes. Since this 90-day challenge is not about us sharing this life-changing opportunity to everyone, but also to
teaching people knowledge.
To share loads of information or knowledge with you. That's why
helpful, useful. Knowledge.
Yes, helpful, useful, and beneficial. Yeah, it's useful.
They don't teach you this.
Yes. Oh my, So So Reese
Reese wants to take
wants
the
to take
stage.
this. So yeah. So yeah. So we as what he said, we research before we go live because we really want to inform you guys, share some knowledge so you learn something from what we're doing, from what we and then so
what we achieved so far.
Yeah.
We managed to do this every day.
Yes.
It's very important.
Yes. Being consistent is the key. That's why we are very grateful.
We managed to
that
do
we
our
manage
ads, of course.
Yes. And
we managed to reach some people. Hundreds of people.
And they're also sharing
our videos, our go lives, because they're not, they haven't watched it live, so they share it. And we get hundreds of views, as we can see.
So that's why it's really effective to do this live, this challenge, 90-day challenge, as we go live most of the time. And and I'm just really grateful that I'm nearly there, achieving my next milestones. I'm so grateful. And we also learned a lot of things from this useful information, and even the technology. Do you know those apps
and websites to make life easier? Because without those, we would spend hours.
Definitely. So we were able to look for other resources that can help us make our work easier. And our challenge,
it's just time, really.
Yes.
It's like, when should we go live?
So
because sometimes we're out in a road trip, so we can't really.
Yeah, sometimes we're in the car going to our road trip, and I'm in the front, and he's in the back, mostly sleeping. That's why we can go live. So
not because I'm sleeping.
And so so the challenge is that one, but most of the time we try to manage, do our go lives between 1 to 2, and sometimes late in the afternoon. But the good thing is, at least we are doing it consistently every day. And the impact of this 90-day challenge on our lives,
it made us more consistent going live.
Yes.
It made us
confident.
More confident.
Yes.
You can just turn on the camera easily.
And
what else?
Even without knowing what to say, we just want to go live. Yeah.
And Reese, he's
in front of us, looking at us.
It's like he wants food. Like
so impact and the outcome. We grow
as people.
Personally, we became more consistent and
more knowledge,
and we became more organized because we need to do this every day. Knowledge, we became more knowledgeable of the topics that we are sharing. And what else? So and professionally, it's the same. Personal and profession, we learned a lot of things doing this go live.
We learned
how
a lot of apps.
Yes. And okay, we have our viewers. Thank you for watching us.
If you see the ear, that's our cat.
If you see the ear, that's our cat, Reese. He's looking at us while we're doing this go live.
I think he wants to.
Maybe he's wondering why, what we're doing. So so lesson learned.
It's the same.
yeah, the lesson learned, maybe we need to be more organized so we're able to do the specific time that we want, because we chose to go live between 1 to 2 because that is a break, the lunch break of people
It's
around here
where
on our, most people are online.
Yeah.
So, but we're not able to manage it. And yeah, and what else? So we learned to be, to adapt to changes, because normally we are not always in the good mood, right? We are just people.
Yeah, you can't always.
Yes, and
happy.
sometimes, yeah, if you're not
Because
feeling.
there's outside factors.
Mhm.
Could be work, friends.
Mhm. So, yeah. So what we do is just to continue on what we're doing, even though the situation is not really good. So yeah, and overall, our reflection is
We're very satisfied.
we're very satisfied doing this 90-day challenge, doing some go lives. Most of it are go lives and some stories or reels, because
it's giving us a platform to share this opportunity.
yes,
And it's reaching more people
Mhm.
slowly but surely.
because we're not only doing this live challenge in here, but we're also sharing it on our
Or
different
other
platforms.
like
Yes,
TikTok, Instagram,
yes,
and our other Facebook page.
and YouTube as well. So I'm doing mine YouTube. I'm sharing this live on our YouTube. So that's why we are really grateful to have joined this 90-day challenge, because we are growing personally, professionally,
and we're having the
chance to share this life-changing opportunity to everyone around the world, and be more comfortable in front of the camera. So at least, so that's our overall reflection, which means it's done as good things. So we are planning to continue doing go lives, even though it's
Once
not
or
a
twice
90-day challenge. It's
a
just
week.
like 2 times or 3 times a week. So you can all still see us, just in case you're missing our face.
Wow.
Okay, guys.
Bye, guys.
That's all for today. Have a lovely weekend, and thank you again for watching. Bye.